Alright, I just got back from Walmart. I had to pick up my groceries. I got a light bread. I've got some hamburger buns. And I've got 2 packs of hot dog buns. And I got me some, a yard of material to quilt with. Got me a pack of hot dogs. I got a gallon of milk. And I needed some soy sauce. And I've got a recipe that I needed sour cream for. And I got me 2 packages of slaw. I'm going to make me some slaw. I got me a half a gallon of buttermilk. And I had to have some more sugar. And I needed some onions. Tomorrow I'm going to fry me some fried taters and onions. And then I've got me some potatoes. So if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe. And hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. And thank y'all so much for watching. And y'all have a wonderful week. Thank you.